Hi, good evening. Welcome back. It's Tuesday evening. That means that it is supposed to be a very, very hectic day at work. Loads and loads of meeting. Many planned and as usual, many unplanned as well. Three things that I want to talk about. The first thing is not just being present, being very responsible and kind of being contributing. Now, one thing that is kind of bothering me with one of my team member is that though that person is present in the team, her contribution has been significantly, or probably I would say noticeably less. And I've been reminding her since last, probably I would say 1.5 year about this. And I think if I'm right, this is the sole reason why she was actually pushed into our team also, because she was in a different global team and they found that her deliverables are not really up to the mark, and then they pushed her here. But after coming here, I just told her, like, right from the day one, about her contribution, what is expected from her, and all those stuff. But for some reason, I don't see any positive growth. And why I'm bringing this context is, like, tomorrow I have a meeting with a manager. Like, I already kind of escalated it twice, and tomorrow we have like a four-way meeting, and all thanks to it being a diversity candidate, it becomes a far more sensitive. But again, end of the day, IBM does not think about whether lack of productivity is because of a diverse candidate or not because of a diverse candidate. So in that way, I thought, like, okay, let me rather bring it up to the person's manager, who's like, it's not me, so that they know what's happening, and we can see what can we do next. Probably replace, or maybe give her like one last warning or whatever. It kind of, like, this topic came up to the discussion today during the day when it's like we wanted regular. I mean, I expect like regular update from people, like, even if it is at like daily end of the day or first thing in the morning, at least come back and tell like what I'm doing and what am I expected to do. Ask things and do stuff. Like, don't wait for somebody to ping you and ask you what you're doing, or don't expect somebody to come and ping you and tell, like, do this thing or do that thing. So that's something which is bothering. So this person is like this, like, she doesn't even bother about asking or telling until and unless somebody taps on the back. And today we were expecting that person in a meeting, and just when I pinged, she told that I'm going for a lunch, and next 3 hours she's absconding. Our meeting is finished, then she comes back and tells that, sorry, I had internet issues and all the stuff. And that after 3 hours. I mean, there was a way like she could have communicated to me or any of the other team member, either through SMS or WhatsApp or whatever it is, or like probably even call up and tell that, I'm not able to connect. But coming back after 3 hours is, I kind of feel that it is kind of like irresponsibleness. So I got a little bit agitated with that today, and it's not, it just became more today rather than starting off today. So let me see, I'll, this is something which is, I'm doing it for the first time, like, wherein I'm pretty upset about the kind of deliverable that somebody does, and I'm going back and telling them that it's not working. Rather, I'm going back and telling their manager that it's not working. So let's see how the conversation goes and how it gets accepted and all that stuff. Second thing is regarding promotions. The second half of this year has been a little bit terrible, I would say, when it comes to promotion and stuff like that, because all thanks to pandemic and how the company has been doing and all the stuff, they're told that there'll be no more hikes and there'll be no more promotion. And last week there was some kind of like a bad news with regard to how they will handle or how they will tackle this whole situation about promotions for the remainder of the year, which is only this month. Probably I would say like another 12 days left to decide if we can do something or not. But one of the senior managers did give a clue that just talk to your immediate managers and let them know about the candidates that are reporting to you are deserving. Okay, and that's something which I planned for today, so that I didn't want it to be too late. So I just spoke to like me and my immediate manager. We spoke to our senior managers today in a meeting, and surprisingly the conversation was very smooth. I kind of like anticipated some kind of like a response which will not be really positive, or like some kind of like a retaliation kind of thing, or maybe they'll oppose the names, or they'll say like, why so many names, or why this, why that, and all. But surprisingly, half of the names they just clear it off without even talking about them, and the remaining half, the moment we justified why we are bringing up that names, they were like happy. I mean, this was the first experience for me that going through a list of potential promotion candidates and convincing the immediate managers about what's happening and what's not happening with them and why they deserve to be promoted. And it's good experience. That's what I would say. Anyway, that's about how the things were in office. I don't know. I think every day I might probably have to use the word chaotic. That's the new normal, I guess. Chaotism, if that's a word, is the new normal in office or probably in my life. The last part is an ongoing search for an accommodation to stay while we are traveling next weekend, if I'm right. Yeah. So I have my accommodation sorted for the first half of the trip, but the second half of the trip is becoming a little bit of struggle because last night I spent quite some time messaging loads and loads of resorts and homestays. Morning I started getting responses. Most of them told it's not available, so which is disappointing because I thought like, okay, this is like middle of the month, not many would be traveling, and maybe it's in the end of the month that many would travel, but it looks like many are traveling during that next weekend. So as of now I am able to manage with one of the, I think two of the resorts where the accommodation is available. So I might have to finalize them immediately, like as good as tonight itself, or maybe first thing tomorrow morning, and send them some money and reserve it off so that we don't end up in any trouble when we go next week. So the idea is to stay about like couple of nights there. I mean, it's a 3 night 4 day outing. So one day it's more of like a 2 days of temple run, another 2 days of relaxation. That's what we are aiming for. Let's see how it goes. Probably do a little bit of touristy things, and main thing is rest. Yeah, that's what we need. So that's what I'm aiming for. So that's what happened today, and I'll probably be back tomorrow to see what update I can give about the new chaos that happens tomorrow. So until then, take care. Bye bye.